Why social justice? In addition to offering and sharing wisdom, Jesus intentionally, purposefully, and passionately addressed very specific causes. He addressed the diverse and complicated conflicts of the time by calling people to love their neighbors. He drew on the teachings of the prophets and the law, which have strong orientation towards God's justice and righteousness. Grounded in Judaism, Jesus had a clear orientation towards care for the vulnerable and marginalized. He offered free health care to those he encountered. He ensured that people had enough to eat. He helped those who were being abused, violated, and oppressed. Involving ourselves within the complexity of issues that impact our neighbors and ourselves, and by serving those who need justice, is an example of following and emulating the ethics put forth by Jesus in the Gospels. Social justice is the capacity to organize with others to accomplish ends that benefits God's people, whether they are Christians or not. Some mechanisms that United Church of Christ members have utilized in order to contribute to the common good are creating and ensuring the processes of democratic participation in decision-making, ensuring that there is food, shelter, and access to good quality education and health care for all people, ensuring that civil and human rights are upheld for all people. As put forth in our congregation's statement of purpose, Union's members are to recognize and relieve systemic oppression, individual suffering, poverty, and isolation through dialogue, action, and partnership with other religious and secular organizations. Because everyone is created in the image of God and loved by the Creator, we are responsible for identifying with the victimized and then seeking justice to halt their victimization and enable their full flourishing. In this way, we are both grounded in the ethics of Jesus and participants in a movement to make the world a better, more loving, more hopeful place. Amen.